Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I will show you how to turn on or turn off word wrap inside your VS Code. Word wrapping is very much important if you have a very large amount of text. As you can see, we have inside this JavaScript code, we have this variable which contains a lot of text. So if by default word wrap is on, so that's why it's split it across multiple lines. But if you disable word wrap, you can easily disable it by going to your user setting file. Just open your command palette, control shift P, and just search for this user setting file. And there is this property you can just manipulate in double quotes, editor dot word wrap, and by default it's on. So you can turn off this word wrap. So now what happened, it will actually, when you disable word wrap, it will switch to a single line, so that you want to now horizontally scroll the actual code to see the entire line. But if I just turn word wrap on, now what happens, you will see it will split the entire text into multiple lines. So I prefer this word wrap feature to be on, so by default it is on. But if for some reason if you want to disable it, you can change this property to off. So now it is off. So in this way you can do this. Thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.